Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am back with a new video. Today I will let you know how to compare two different lists with the help of Vlookup function. So let me show you how we can do this. Simply I have list 1 and list 2, and in list 2 I have employee IDs and annual salary, and just I want to check it out like these employee IDs are present in this list 1 or not. So how we can do this? Simply we can use VLOOKUP here is equal to VLOOKUP open bracket and then press tab. Now in the lookup value, what you have to select? You have to select the unique ID or unique text or unique value that you have in both the list. So we have, what is the unique one? This is the employee ID, which is unique one. So what is the lookup value? This employee ID. So simply we have to select this, then comma, and now in table array you have to select that range where that lookup value is present. So in this list too, we have the lookup value that is present. Lookup range, we can simply say that. So this is the lookup range. Simply we have to select this range. If you want to populate this annual salary there also, you can select both columns A and B. But right now we have to just compare the list, so we can select one column only. Now use comma, and now we have the next syntax is column index number. So in column index number, what will be the thing here? Simply we have to type 1 because we have to populate employee IDs in return. So what is on the one column? The employee ID. So we will type here 1, then comma, and for exact match you can type false because we want exact match only right now. Now you can see we are getting this data populated here, which is the employee ID. And what is the meaning of this? Means that this employee ID is present in this list too. And where it is? This one. And we are getting that data populated here. If you drag this down, you're getting your data compared. Means that these not applicable or NA hash NA are not present in this list too. So this is how you can compare with the help of VLOOKUP. Also, I want to showcase you one more thing, like if you want to just change this hash NA to not found, how we can change this? By using if error function, if error open bracket, and now in the last, simply this is the value, the VLOOKUP is the value in this case for this syntax, then comma, and value if error will be in double quote, you can type not found. Now what is the benefit of this? Simply if you drag this down, all the hash and error will change to not found. And also you can give here title as compare list or compare result you can give here. So this is how you can compare the list. But also I want to showcase you one more thing, that is if you want to populate the data with the help of VLOOKUP from this list 1 to list 2, how we can populate. So I want to populate here. If you see in the list 1, we have the full name, job title, department, and business unit. Right? I want to populate these all in list 2 in one go with the help of VLOOKUP. So how we can do this? First, I will take the headings. Just to showcase you, I'm just taking headings, copy, and going to paste. Now is equal to VLOOKUP. Select the lookup value. So this is the lookup value. Then comma. Now what is the table array? I want to get data from which table? I want to get data from this list 1 table. And what is the unique? So we have to select the table array from where you where we have the lookup range starting point. Means that lookup range must be in left part. So we will select this up to business unit because we want to populate data up to business unit. Now comma, and now you can use curly brackets to showcase your data in one go. So I want to populate my second column, third column, fourth column, and fifth column. So I can just type like this 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 and close this curly brackets, then comma, and just type false for exact match, close the bracket, and you will get your data populated in a one go. You can just drag this down and you will get your whole data set. So some data is not present there, that's why we are not getting that. So this is how you can populate that data with the help of VLOOKUP also. And right now, also we can use XLOOKUP if you have the latest versions, like in Excel 2021 or Excel 365, you can use XLOOKUP. So for using XLOOKUP, you can just type is equal to XLOOKUP and select your lookup value, then comma, select the lookup array. So in this case, we have the lookup array, not the table array. So in this lookup array, we can go to this list one and select this lookup array. So here the employee ID is present. So we have to select this lookup array, then comma, and what will be the return array? I want in return what? Full name, job title, department, and business unit. So you can select like this B, C, D, E column and close the bracket. You will get data populated here. You can drag this down. If the values are found, you will get yes. Somewhere you are getting hash NA because the values are not found. And in this case, to change this hash NA to not found, we have one option in XLOOKUP that is called, if you press comma here, you have if not found syntax. So you can just use double quote here only. We don't have to use if error function with this XLOOKUP because we have already in this if not found. So we can give here not found. That is the text that I want to showcase. If there is any error, that is hash NA right now. And if I drag this down where I have hash NA, I will get not found. You can see. So this is how you can populate your data with the help of XLOOKUP. And this is all about this video. You have learned how to compare your tool list with the help of VLOOKUP, how to populate data with the help of VLOOKUP, how to populate data with the help of XLOOKUP. So this is how we can populate and compare our list. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video. And if you want this practice sheets, you can download it from description. Thank you so much for watching.